Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be exploring the beautiful Thuluth script. As I guide you through the steps to write the letter Ain, I'll also be sharing a little story about my cat, Muffin. She's not just any ordinary cat. She's a bundle of joy wrapped in soft, fluffy fur. Her personality is a delightful mix of playful curiosity and calm wisdom. She loves to explore every corner of the house, yet she's also incredibly gentle, always knowing when to cuddle up next to you when you need comfort. Muffin has a way of making everyone around her feel special, and her purring is like a soothing melody that brings peace to the heart. Cats hold a special place in Islamic tradition, and there are several Hadith sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that reflect the importance of treating cats with kindness and compassion. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of showing kindness to all creatures, including cats. A well-known hadith narrated by Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, mentions that a woman was punished in hell because she imprisoned a cat until it died of starvation. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said a woman was tortured and was put in hell because of a cat which she had kept locked up until it died of hunger. He further elaborated that she neither fed nor let it eat the insects of the earth. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself had a deep affection for cats. One of the most famous stories is about his companion Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu, whose name means father of the kitten because he was often seen with a small kitten. The Prophet's treatment of cats is an example of how Muslims are encouraged to treat all animals with gentleness. These hadiths underscore the importance of compassion and care for animals, especially cats, in Islam. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this journey of combining the art of calligraphy with a little story about my dear Muffin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and stories.